What's up, dude? Yeah, it'd be okay if I get like a fist bump though. I said, would it be okay if I get a fist bump though? Yeah.
Well, my son, I seen you and I was like, my son is gonna be freaking upset once he sees this picture. I'll tell him, look who came to work. Super cool, thank you.
Of course, have a good day. All right. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Of course not. Perfect. Of course, have a good day. Yeah, bro. Come on over. Heck yeah. What's your name? Dylan? Nice to meet you, Dylan. I'm Isaiah. All right, man. Yeah, I do. It's called the Motovated life. Yeah. Hey, I'll put you on there. Yeah, have a good day. That was awesome. She's like, I'm not sure if this guy's crazy or if he's gonna be cool with me taking a picture. I'm cool with it. Oh, there's my boy now. Yes. Yeah. What's up, bro?
Oh yeah, I'm glad we didn't ride yesterday.
Yeah.
I did end up going riding a little bit.
Did you? Yeah.
Oh dude, it was terrible.
Yeah.
And, 11 o'clock, I'm riding down the road and I'm like I'm like doing 100 just to cool down. It was just walking on.
Yeah. Yes. You missed selfie time over here.
Oh yeah.
While I was waiting for you.
Oh, I'm sure. Dude, selfie times every time. Like, when is it not selfie time?
Because science. Butterfly. Is that insane or what, man? I straight up, I'm not even gonna lie, dude, because I'm not normally, I don't know, I'm not normally one to have like starstruck kind of syndrome, but dude, I was kind of fanboying over that pretty hard. Oh, bro, that was insane. I was like, are you kidding me? Like, I don't even know how he saw it though, is the thing, because I didn't tag him or anything in it, you know what I mean? Like sent it to him or something, you think? Yeah, I mean, I guess. Bro, that would be crazy. Yeah, but I mean, it's like, okay, I have like 10,000 subs, bro. Like, chances are you don't know who I am, even if you're not some famous YouTuber. Quick little sip of water. Getting little legs. I hope not. No, God. Stupid leaf. What's up? I hear all kinds of yelling. I don't know what you're saying.
Is that a new one?
This? 17.
17?
Yeah.
Which one? A red one, all red? Have you always had that one? Or I thought you had a red one.
No, this is all I've had. Yeah, I had an old 600 that was black also, though. What's that? Oh man, of course I want it, bro. Shit, I ain't got no money, bro.
You have all the money.
Hell no, I haven't had a job for 5 months, dude.
I'll hire you.
All right. Later. Hi, I see a little hand back there. I think it's a hand. It's still going. It might be a dog tail. Maybe I'm just waving like to a dog's tail. Oh, okay. That dog's tail did not take a fucking picture.
Oh, dude, they straight up have a camera. Like, he's got a camera.
Love you. I love you. Oh yeah, ride it. Does my suspension go that much? Oh, it kind of does, huh? Oh, gotta get the elbows going. I know, dude, my cheeks legitimately hurt. We might have to take a break. What's up, brothers? Oh, we are on motorcycles. Super badass, and look at me, because I'm cool. La 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 la. Oh, hell yeah. In a way. I think of Grand Theft Auto with this shit. I want to hit it. Just like, whoa! We might be headed for a little bit of rain, bro. Here, I'll get in mine. Oh yeah. Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper.
Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
Bro, why are you so good at that? What? Huh? Nope. All right, where are we at? I think this is Long. Are we in Longmont? I think so. Somebody come get her! God damn it! Okay, first and foremost, no idea where we're going, but that's the great thing about having a motorcycle. It's just, you don't have to have a destination, it's all fun. However, we should probably go say hi to people. Oh, hi, Dan. Oh my god, all day, bro, all day. I just want to see these beautiful bikes. Oh, so pretty. Yes. Fuck yeah. Oh, R1M, brah. Pirelli, brah. Dude, I wish I was cool like everybody else. I do what I want. What up? What?
You need to work.
I need to work for you? Wow, that's pretty aggressive. I kind of like your style. Nah. Oh, you do really? Heck yeah. What's your name? Caroline, Isaiah. No, I hang out with kids, man. Be carrying real stuff around, bro? It's messed up. I saw the beautiful bikes. I had to come say what's up.
We've seen you ride by. Bike everywhere. We have to stop.
Yeah, of course. How's mine? What are y'all up to?
We just got done blitzing some canyons. We're just
Nice.
some lunch.
Hell yeah.
We'll probably call it a day.
What canyon?
Left hand, and that's actually a new route for me. We're out of Denver. We're Canyon Riders Association.
Oh, okay.
We usually do Deer Creek, Turkey Creek, Golden Gate, Decker.
Sweet.
We just wanted to get up here and change the pace.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
10 was nice, but there's a shit ton of traffic.
That's Angus.
I like Yeah. Wait, is this a Honda? This is a Honda.
Yeah. 1000 double R.
So this is low.
Yeah.
This is really. It's Angus.
Canyon Riders Association.
Perfect. I think I got it.
You're from up here, huh?
Loveland.
Okay.
Yeah. Awesome.
Alright, man, you got speed safe.
Will do. Heck yeah, brah. I said, heck yeah, brah. How you doing, brother? Appreciate you.
You look okay. That's the best comment I usually get. Yeah.
All right, guys. Oh, really? Nice. All right, take care. She's dancing like a stripper. Hey. I don't like the rain. Hey, bro. What hit you with? I just love the way bikes sound. Just makes me happy. Just makes me all warm and fuzzy inside. Yeah. Oh, I did it back. That's like the first time anyone's done that back like that. Oh yeah. Oh shit, I just realized if we head out this way or these back roads at all, we'll lose service. Let's flip around in this neighborhood here. Oh, that's not appropriate for my bike. Yeah, see, no. Okay, let's just go the other way now. All right, now I know what's over here. I've never been up here. It might be illegal how much fun we're having. Oh, bro, you need to watch the road and not hit me with your truck. That would be way better.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
No, you don't! No, the fuck you don't! Shut! Yeah! 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 We're gonna get her. She dancing like a stripper. It's not nice to point, people. Oh yeah, the one wheels. Have you ridden those before? One of our pilots used to have one, and he would bring it out to our like remote helicopter bases, and we just off-road that thing, just like ah! I do that sometimes on accident, and then I'll keep doing it just to pretend like I'm playing around. Oh God, I feel too exposed over here. People pay attention, don't hit me, please. I'm too. I don't. Ah! That dog did not like me, bro. Haters gonna hate, dude. Haters gonna hate. You can do it. Bro, I am gonna fall asleep and be thinking, somebody come get her. Just get out of my head.